In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send files with Google Drive. By the end, you'll confidently share a folder of files with the right people in just a few clicks while understanding what's happening at each step. First, open your web browser and head to Google Drive's homepage. Make sure you're signed into your Google account so you can access your files. The Drive home screen shows your folders and documents. We'll focus on sharing a folder because it sends everything inside in one go, and anything you add later will be included automatically. Next, click the folder that contains the files you want to send. Opening the folder helps you confirm you're sharing the correct set of items. Remember, sharing a folder grants access to all its contents, so double check that nothing inside should remain private. With the folder open, look at the top where the folder name appears. Click the small drop-down icon beside the folder name. This reveals actions related to the folder. From this menu, choose Share. This is the central place where you control who gets access. A sharing window will appear. In some layouts, you may see an additional share button or confirmation inside this window. Go ahead and click Share again to proceed. You're now in the panel where you can specify recipients and access levels. In the Add People and Groups field, type the email address of the person you want to send the files to. As you type, Drive may suggest contacts. Select the correct one. If you need to share with multiple people, you can add more addresses here. You'll also notice an access drop-down next to each person, typically set to Viewer by default. Viewer lets them open and download, Commenter lets them leave feedback, and Editor allows them to add, change, or remove files in the folder. Choose the level that matches what you want them to do. You can also include a short message so recipients understand what you're sharing and why. When everything looks right, click Send. Drive will notify the people you added and provide them with a link to the folder. If you see a prompt asking to confirm sharing outside your organization or to notify recipients, simply confirm to finish. That's it. You went to Google Drive, opened the correct folder, used the drop-down beside the folder name, selected Share, confirmed Share, entered the recipient's email, and clicked Send. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to send files with Google Drive quickly and securely.